Welcome friends. Last time we saw how to create admin server and how to create a service registry using Eureka server, and both were using for monitoring our microservices project like its health and lots of things we have seen. But last time we didn't register any APIs, so it was showing no instance available. But today I will tell you one more server like Zipkin server. And what is Zipkin server? We will see those uh, configuration in Zipkin server, how to add in our project and how to uh, on the Zipkin server. So but first of all I would like to tell you what is Zipkin server. Zipkin server is nothing just used for distributed tracing, and we can monitor which API is taking more time to process the request and which is taking lots, um, which API is taking less time, and how many APIs are involved in the request, and each and every details you will see in Zipkin server about APIs. First of all, you have to I would like to write here, as like Eureka server and admin server, we have to add this Zipkin server in our project. Just a second. So Zipkin server is nothing, it is used for distributed tracing. Distributed tracing, that's it. And in which we can monitor which API is taking more time to process request, and also which is taking less time. And also we can understand, we can understand about APIs like how many APIs are involved in processing requests actually. So for that, let me draw a diagram for better understanding. Like suppose this is our one microservice project, and this is another our microservice project, and this is our third microservice project, and this is our fourth microservice project. For that, suppose this is our Zipkin UI, and this is just a second, one and two, three, I have to draw it clearly for better understanding, sorry. So this is 1, this is 2, this is third, and this is 4. Suppose we have 4 APIs and we want to connect these 4 APIs to the Zipkin UI. So for that, what we have to do, we have to do like this. So in each and every project, So what you have to do, just go when you just make sure that when you are creating a new project, so you have to add dependency Zipkin dependency in every project. Suppose I have added a Zipkin dependency in this, so you have to add this in second one, add this in third, and add this same dependency to the fourth. So after adding these dependencies, you will able to contact you will able to establish a connection between APIs or microservice project and Zipkin server. Suppose this is our Zipkin UI which will running on browser. This is our Zipkin UI will be running in on our browser. So let's see how to configure this.
चलो भाई देखो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ.
Go on Google, type here Zipkin server, not server, server download. Okay, just go to quick start, open Zipkin here, and what is it saying? If you are having Java 17, yes, I am using Java 17, so go to latest release, click in latest release, and here you can see that it's downloading here. So wait for, actually I have downloaded, but it was not working for me. It was not downloaded correctly, so wait for its download process. So after downloading this, you have to go to your terminal or CMD and make sure you have selected the root directory where this Zipkin server has located. So my root directory will be downloads, because it will goes on download. So first of all, let it finish. Open CMD, ls, not ls, cd, downloads. Okay, I am in downloads. Make sure show in folder. So this is our jar file, and just rename it for short form. I will tell you why we have renamed it. Type here Zipkin, that's it. Just a second, rename Zipkin 2. This, close this, the CMD. So as you can see that my jar file is in downloads. The root directory is download where the Zipkin jar file is located. So that's why I have selected here cd downloads for entering in this root directory cd downloads where my Zipkin jar file is located. So how to enable this Zipkin server? Just write java hyphen jar space and the jar file name that we have renamed Zipkin 2 dot jar. Okay, so as you can see that our Zipkin server has been started successfully and it's running on port number 9411. So just copy this URL ctrlc, go to browser ctrlv and this. Okay, so here this is not it's not showing anything cause we don't have any API registered here. So I will tell you how to register and how we can monitor those APIs here. And this Zipkin UI is coming from Zipkin server, which is Zipkin domain maybe. And here when you hit run query here, then those APIs which are registered with Zipkin server will show here and their details also will be showing here. So this is how we can add a Zipkin server in our microservice project. So let me write the step here. First of all, go to root folder where Zipkin located. Second, type java space hyphen jar space Zipkin file name Zipkin 2 dot jar. So here I will suggest you to rename the Zipkin file cause it will download it in a bigger name like that we have its version and all, so it's better. So changing name there will be no problem, you can change the name also for your convenient. So further I will tell you how to create an API and link in Zipkin server, admin server and Eureka server. So that's for all for now.